Bangna Solar Somai Ko Nani Onanina Dingtang Mansa Chairman Ko Matelagda Kushok Bia Aro Dalon Asimang Baksa Dongna Aro Asimang Baksa
History Skangpa Nangramguman NGO Dolko Bukodaniyo Antila Rasong Ganang Megapa Aro Kachabiani Ongen
Program pengan kita sina scroll kona wang krometela da alongan asmana yeles kanide da o meza uni jawan ba sing atita meeting na ko dakcho aru mandela ni kumong nagrmani kita jeje na ko sina action asine kita sia ha union home minister sian baksana travel mamang bobot na unna ba doa ini ba singa continue kham kana kita singa kursol san kumong e donge
Sangma. And this non-tribal, they are not just trying to take our right, but they are taking away our life also. Just because this brother, Delsang M. Sangma, he tried to stop their illegal quarry. They don't fear anymore to take the life of our tribal people. So we are here to deliver one message, that we are always will be there with our brother in Garo Hills. And I would like to counter one of the representative from Garo Hills, Dr. Mukul Sangma. We have seen just in this past session, when our Garo brother came one under the umbrella of the Unite Garo organization to preserve and protect our right. But it is an insult to the organization, not only from Garo Hills, but from Meghalaya as a whole. When Dr. Mukul Sangma clearly said, like, students nowadays join the organization just to collect illegal money from the transportation of this limestone, coal and all. We would like to send a message to Dr. Mukul Sangma, who is not just an MLA from Garo Hills, but he is also a leader of our state because he is our ex-chief minister. We are not here in the NGOs just to collect illegal money. And I don't think so. All the organizations from Garo Hills come under the umbrella of NAD, under the Unified Garo organization just to collect illegal money. They come together for the right of the Garo Hills, to protect the right, to protect the land, to protect our identity. If this non-tribal capture all our right, where will we go? So this is a clear message that we are in the NGOs, not for this what our Dr. Mukul Sangma tried to accuse us just to collect illegal money. But we are taking a big responsibilities with us, being an NGOs. We travel from Jaintia Hills to Garo Hills because we feel like it is our duty to support our brother, because we are living in the same state. We are governed by the same rules and law of the state government, and we have the 6th schedule, our right to protect and preserve our right. So this is a clear message, like we will always support our brother from Garo Hills whenever they need us. And if in future also you need us, we will support you. And we condemn the statement of Dr. Mukul by accusing the NGOs just to collect illegal money, because we have a big responsibilities in us to protect our land, to protect our identity. So with this, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you, Kublai Shibun Mithila.